I upgraded yesterday 3 of my projects to new Next.js 15 and I wanted to share with you some of the things that were a little bit tricky. So this is my textual games project, you've probably seen it on my channel, and as you can see, I have bunch of dependencies. This video is not going to be about the new Next.js 15 CLI. I wanted to upgrade all the dependencies in the old-fashioned way. So what I did is basically I went to my terminal and I ran pm up latest, and this one gave me all the dependencies to their latest version, so all the major versions and everything, and I had a couple of problems. And first problem was 10 stack or TRPC, because I'm using TRPC in this project, and 10 stack React query has to be on this version, and I just copied this one, so 4.35.3. And if I update here to the latest again, my textual games, I'm going to show you the error that I get. As you can see here, it's upgraded from 4.35 to 5.59, which is really a big change. And now if we run it, here, pm dev, here we can see that TRPC is asking for hash query key from 10 stack React query, and that one is changed. So basically this one is not going to work and we need to return it back to 4.35. And now when I install that one, then it's going to work. So like this. So that was the one problem that I encountered. And next one was clerk. If we go to our middleware here, this auth protect was called without the await, so it was looking like this and it threw errors. So this is the new thing from Next.js, that they're requiring to await for things like search params and all the things that we are using. So now I just changed it like this, so I async and then await, and after that one is working, so we can go here on our authenticated page and it's working fine. And third problem I had was really interesting. I didn't expect to find that problem. So here when I go to my games and I go to some game, here we have that famous dynamic route from Next.js. So if we go here to game and then to page.tsx, here we are just using the slug, so we are awaiting the params, but this was looking differently. Before, this one was not using the await, so we were just getting the params in the old-fashioned way. So here we had just the game ID, and then we were just getting the params. We were sending it like this, basically params.gameID, but this one is not working anymore, so we need to await now our params. And also for use search params, I had that problem in the order complete page here. So here in the payment success, I'm using the use search params hook from Next navigation, and I had to add suspense in the page that is the parent component, basically, that is wrapping up payment success. I had to put suspense in order to use the use search params here. And those were all the things that I changed. So now here on textualgames.com, this one is live, and if we check the version, it is Next.js 15 and everything is working just fine. I was lucky that I didn't have any caching problems, and that's because I'm using TRPC on this project and all the caching is done by 10 stack query. And I'm going to refactor it anyway. I'm going to remove TRPC because it's kind of unnecessary now with all the caching options that Next is providing us with the SSR and all the things. With new React 19 hooks that can be used to get the form statuses and all the stuff that we have now in Next.js 15, I'm going to use all of that and of course make videos not only for textual games but also for Orcish full stack admin. And some big Next.js 15 projects are coming up, so make sure to stay tuned.